Hello guys, in today's video I will be talking about how to install and use the LiteFinance mobile trading app. So let's dive straight into it. So first what you need to do is to go to the Google Play Store, then go to the search bar, type LiteFinance, and this is the first application on the top with the white background. Click on that, then hit install, and after installing hit open button. And here you can log into your account or register a new one. So down below you have the registration button, hit on that. And here you choose the country of your origin, email or phone. Then you need to untick that you have read the client's agreement and then hit register. Okay, during the first opening of the app, the application will ask you to set a 4-digit password code. Instead, using the long password, you will be able to quickly log into your account. So in order to check your account, go to the lower right side to those three dots, click on that, and here you have the MetaTrader tab. Here you can see all your trading accounts. Here, for example, is by default opened the MetaTrader 5 classic account. Here you have the total deposit, leverage, and so on. Here you can change the settings, and you can change, of course, your name, trader's password, your leverage, and so on. We need to close that. And now, if we want to verify our profile, again, we click on the three dots down below on the right side. We hit our name. And here we are in the My Profile section where you have all the information about your profile and account. So here you have the summary, the trading history. This is blank because we didn't make any trades on this account, on this profile. Profitability chart also blank. And the last is verification tab, where you send all your documents to be fully approved and to enable all the functions of the applications and your account. And first to be confirmed is your email. You are confirming it by sending a passcode to your inbox. Then you have the phone, which you confirm by sending the passcode via SMS. Next one is identity verification. Here you are sending the scan of the front and back of your ID to verify your identity, right? Hit the edit tab, type your gender, full name, date of birth, and then hit continue. And here you have the section where you can upload the documents. You can either go and upload straight from your gallery or make direct photo. Next, you need to just hit continue and upload the documents. And that's basically it. Then you need to wait for the confirmation from the support. So let's go back, and next one is the proof of the address, where basically you are confirming where you are residing, in which country. So again, you need to hit edit tab, then you need to choose the country, postcode, region, city, address, hit continue. And again, you have this tab where you can either upload straight from your gallery or make direct photo, and then just hit continue and wait, of course, for the response from the support. And now if you want to copy other successful traders or publish your own trades to be available for others to copy, you go basically to the copy section, and here you have all of the traders available to copy for you. So you can search them by popular or profitability, number of copy traders, period of trading, risk level, and so on and so forth. Let's check by the profitability, hit that, then OK. And here you have all the traders available for copy, filtered by the profitability. Now to activate demo trading, to test your skills or start learning, or maybe just check the trading app, you need to go again to the three dots down below, and then you have the button activate demo trading. Hit that. And right now you are switched to demo. Again, now we go to the down below on the left side, we have a trading tab, and we choose the asset to trade. Let's go, for example, cryptocurrencies, go for Bitcoin. So you can, of course, customize the chart. You can choose the time frame. You can draw trend lines. And of course, you can also open a trade. So down below you have the button open a trade. And here it is said that you have $0 available for trading. So then what we need to do is to click top up demo account. And here you choose the amount of funds with which you want to start testing the application. So let's say $10,000 will be okay for us. So click top up. And here we now choose the volume amount and the direction of the trade. So let's say, for example, that we want to buy Let's open 0.5 lots. And also you can choose closing conditions. So basically here you are choosing your take profit and stop loss level, and also by the movement of the price or by the fixed price level. And then you can hit buy, and you can see you have confirmation that the trade is currently opened. And then the trade will be visible in portfolio section. Down below you have the button portfolio, and here you have the current balance of your demo account. Now if you want to contact the company support, again you need to click on those three dots and just go to the chat, and here you have a support service on the top of the chat list. Click on that, and here you just type your questions. So now how to make a deposit and withdrawal. So again we need to go to those three dots, go to the finance tab, and here you have the section for deposit and withdrawal. So let's start, for example, from deposit. We want to make a deposit via Bitcoin, for example. So we choose a Bitcoin. Now we set the account to which we want to deposit. Here it is the only account that we have. It's a MetaTrader 5 Classic account. The amount that we want to deposit. Let's say we want to deposit 1 Bitcoin. The currency is Bitcoin, of course. Here we type the promo code if we have. And down below we have the exchange rate, how many dollars it will be deposited into our account. It is $21,340.21. Hit continue. And here you have the Bitcoin address, which you should copy and paste into your crypto wallet while making a transfer. You need to also remember that this is a one-off address. If you want to make another deposit, you need to start the procedure again. So that is as for the deposit. If you want to withdraw the money, the same procedure. We need to go to the three dots down below over here, go to the finance tab, and instead of deposit, hit withdrawal button. And right here you have the list of all of the methods available for withdrawal, but by default for you will be available the method which you made the deposit. And of course it will be also available after the full verification of your account. So guys, that's basically it, the summary of the LiteFinance's mobile trading app. Thank you for watching, and till next time.